Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Make sure you have your notepad and pen because we are about to begin. Today we are doing the flashcards for shaving and facial hair design. Let's begin. What will you not perform immediately after a shave? The application of blank is a standard procedure in preparing the beard for shaving. Do not proceed with the shave service if client has what determines hairline shapes. Blank are often the result of improper hair removal by a razor, tweezers, or trimmer. Do not use hot towels on skin that is Be careful when shaving sensitive areas such as when a client wears a mustache, trim and shape it blank the shave service. Ingrown hairs are also known as which of the following is a reason a client may find fault with a shave procedure? There are 14 shaving areas of the face to be shaved during the blank part of service. The 14 shaving areas of the face are shaved blank and sequentially from one section to another. During the first time over part of the service, you would shave blank in each of the 14 areas of the face. The shaving movement from the angle of mouth toward point of chin is called the shaving movement from beneath the lower lip would be What type of strokes do you use around the mouth, over the ears, and in other tight areas? Lathering with a shaving cream or gel, stretching the skin too tightly will cause. What type of shaving is the practice of shaving the beard against the grain during the second time over phase of the shave? What type of shave should result in a smooth face without being a close shave? For a man who has an extra large mouth, what type of mustache would be complimentary? Beards can be used to blank the appearance of facial features. You should angle the razor how many degrees relative to the skin surface? The correct angle of cutting with a razor is called the blank stroke. This refers to the way the razor is held in the barber's hand to perform a stroke movement. You would apply light facial cream or moisturizing lotion with what type of movement? Right-handed barbers stand at the client's. Which of the following is an anti-hemorrhagic? What razor position and stroke is not used in facial shaving? When performing a shave service, you would use the blank to stretch the skin with the proper amount of pressure. The reverse backhand stroke is only used during a blank shave. Preparation includes which of the following? Steaming helps to what type of skin allows the beard hair to be cut more easily? Which of the following shaves should ensure a complete and even shave with a single lathering? Be sure to check the hairline and neck areas for blank before beginning the neck shave. Blank cutting is most successful on beards with even density and texture. Following the first time over shave, the barber checks the client's skin for any finishing a shave would include which of the following? When performing a shave service, you should keep the dominant thumb and fingertips dry for do not stop short or shave over an area. Keep your fingers blank to stretch or hold the skin firmly during the shave. When performing a shave, you would use a light touch and what type of motion that leads with the point of the blade. Where should you discard used blades? Keep the skin blank while shaving. Treat small cuts or nicks using standard precautions and blank procedures. This concludes the flashcards for shaving and facial hair design. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. For more information on classes, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.